Welcome back. Today I will discuss about vocal cord shrinkage. What is this vocal cord shrinkage? Vocal cord shrinkage means your windpipe and your trachea, your heart. Three organs are involved with your speech, your voice. Heart generate the voice, trachea convert that to sound, and sound is carried out with the help of the vocal cord. So today I will discuss vocal cord shrinkage. Vocal cord shrinkage means कि you are unable to speak. Your vocal cord is not able to spell out the word you want to say, or you say in a very disturbed voice manner. Your voice is disturbed, your voice is not clear, or when you want to speak you have the throat pain or the pain in the vocal cord area. So this is a very complicated issue. I have treated so many patients earlier of this nature. One patient was having the cyst in the vocal cord. Doctor has advised him not to speak anything for a long period. That may be 2 months, 3 months or more. But I have treated that patient. Within 10-15 days he got the 100% results. The doctor who has said you can't speak, you remain shut your mouth always, he again went to that doctor. That doctor advised him, now your cyst in the vocal cord is clear, there is no obstruction, you can speak, you can enjoy, you can laugh, you can do anything, whatever you want. So today I will sit the case of a vocal cord shrinkage. That patient is from the USA. He has seen me write videos. He has followed me on the Facebook. He is on the WhatsApp group member. So that patient was having the same problem. He asked me, "Sir, how you can help me? I am having this problem." And all allopathy doctor says that there is no solution for this issue. We don't have any solution. Only we have a steroid injection, or a particular name of the injection, I am not aware of that. That injection they are putting to the patient every 3 months. Once she gets the injection, then she are able to speak for a 2.5 months. Then again same case happens. She go to the doctor and again he give the injection and she starts speaking. So she has came to me and I told her, no problem, you will be comfortable, you can speak very well, because I am doing healing with the energy of the body. Which energy is causing the problem in your body? And one more important thing, due to the shrinkage of vocal cord, she was not able to sleep, because at night she can't breathe properly. When you cannot breathe properly, you can't sleep properly. So this was the biggest issue. For sleep, for insomnia, she was taking the sleeping pills. The sleeping pills were not effective, because this area there was so problem. This area doesn't allow to go to the sleep mode. Brain sleep mode cannot go because of this problem. So I just asked that lady, you put a green color on the throat. You put this green color on the throat. This is the throat. This area is the throat. I advise her to put the green color in the night in this area. After putting the green color in this area, within 2 days, she gave me a feedback. Sir, now my sleeping pills are working. I am able to sleep very well. I said, no, your pills are same as earlier, or now the pills is same, but the change of energy in your throat or in the vocal cord is helping you to sleep. Because once I have told you put the green color in this area, this green color has increased the wind energy in the vocal cord or the lungs or in the throat area. When this area is having the wind, having the circulation, having the openings, then you don't have any disturbance in your sleep mode by the throat. So that's why your sleeping pills are working very good. So this is the reason you are putting the green color over here, makes you sleep comfortably. That theory she can understand and she was quite happy. So I hope you people have understood the logic behind it. If anybody is suffering from vocal cord issue or throat issue, you can refer to my previous video, you can refer to my this video, or you can advise them to contact me personally or contact me on online. I will give you the WhatsApp number. You can always call me on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 9717380071. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.